Hey folks, Adrian from Ozark Diesel Off-Road here. Doing a little work today. We've got a 2008 Ford 6.0. We're doing a power steering pump and hydro hose swap due to fluid contamination. Also got the LJ project over there, stabbing the motor in, hopefully tomorrow. And then we've got let's see if we can get out there. Oh, it's bright! Go towards the light! Don't go towards the light. Stay out of the light, Adrian. Ah. Here we go. Maybe. There it is. Coming back. Yeah, I think it's a YouTube video with the camera live, but we've got the 2000, I believe it is, Excursion there. We'll be dropping the transmission pan down, valve body, doing a solenoid warranty repair for Monster transmissions. See how this bad really comes out. Remember, for all your truck, diesel, 4x4 days, come see us. Ozark Diesel Off-Road 4x4 specialist, Adrian. Later.